Hi, this is Hank Groman with the Primas Group. I'm here to demonstrate some of the features of our Primas CX Omni-Channel Solution. I'm going to cover a bunch quickly. I'll explain as I go. Let's start with our demo page. We have a live website. Top right, under the Contact Us section, we've enabled various omni-channel features that we'll cover. To interface with the call center, I've got a X-Lite soft phone here. I've got a remote desktop session to an agent in the call center where we have an Avaya 1X soft phone. Let's begin the demonstration with the phone call into the call center. This is going into a queue, arriving at the agent. Here we see the call coming in. I'm going to answer and end this. I'm going to make a modification to our software. On agent desktops, we deploy a client software called Notifier. We're going to go ahead and turn the screen pop feature on here. Let's go ahead and close this, place another phone call. I'm explaining this because we're going to build on this. So notice this time we've received a screen pop. Let's go ahead and answer and end this phone call. So this screen pop contains a base URL, primas.net. We also have variables that you'll see included here, such as Annie, Enos, call ID. What you're seeing here is a non-integrated screen pop. The info is included. If we were to do an integrated screen pop, we would use those variables to do a data dip into a customer call center and present a customer record. So let's go ahead and close this. We'll go back into our notification client. We're going to go ahead and disable that screen pop feature. Let's switch to another channel. We'll go ahead into Facebook. Let's say hello. We're going to see some intelligence from our bot technology. I recognize your name is Hank Groman, is that correct? I will say yes. Now this part's important, so I'm going to read it. For your convenience, would you please provide your phone number? Providing your phone number allows us to reach you in the event that you would like to escalate your support to a live agent. You'll see this in a second. 274-7472. It's going to verify the number. Your phone number is that correct? Yes. Which department would you like? We're going to say insurance. You'd like to receive support for insurance, is that correct? Yes. Okay, so now it's going to let me know that it's going to connect me to a live agent. Let's go back out to our live agent. We're going to see here that we received a phone call. Let's go ahead and close this. So what we got here was a pop. Now this agent can interact with the messenger down here. You'll see him talking back and forth. And you'll notice, let's look at the top of this window. The phone number I provided is included up here. So if during this chat interaction the agent wanted to switch to phone call, they could do so by clicking that phone call. They could also ask the person if the phone number is different, and they could change that phone number and update it here. So let's go ahead and mark this conversation as complete. We're going to end this and end the phone call here. A word about the phone calls. In a live environment with auto answer, with physical headsets, soft phones and whatnot, we would not have to be answering the phone. But since we're in a virtualized environment, we're having to do so. So now that we've done phone and Facebook, let's go ahead and switch to email. So from the Contact Us section, we'll go ahead and click Email Us. So I'm just going to put the time in here. Take note of the phone number in the footer here. Let's go ahead and send this off. Let's go back out to our agent desktop. Now, our system has the ability to automatically pick up that phone number from the footer and use it. It can marry it to the phone call that came in previously. It can also marry it to the Facebook chat. So here that pop has arrived. Let's go ahead and answer this. And now I'm going to go ahead and reply to this email. I'm going to include the time again, just to keep things moving, and send this off. So now that email has gone. I'm going to mark this as complete. Close this window. Let's go ahead and end the phone call here. Okay, so before I leave this agent desktop, what I'm going to do now is turn on our EPOP feature. We'll explain this in a second. So I'm going to return to my agent desktop, return to Facebook Messenger, and say hello again. again. Notice here that Facebook has recognized that I've been here before. It says, welcome back, Hank. Would you like to be reconnected to the agent that helped you previously? I'm going to say yes. So please wait while I connect you to an agent. I'm going to return to the agent desktop. Okay, so notice a couple things happening here. In our repeat call window here, let's go ahead and answer that phone call. In our repeat call window, you can see that our previous paths into the call center, our previous channels, have been presented to this agent. We can see that we had a phone call, we had another phone call, we had a Facebook chat message, and we had an email. Now we're in a new Facebook chat, so that's not being presented. Okay, so that's all I wanted to get out with this initial demonstration here, and that is that we have the ability to queue multiple channels. We can easily integrate this into your website. We can easily present this at the agent desktop. We can even go deeper into moving calls between agents and how those POPs preserve that information so that it truly is omni-channel. So thanks for spending your time so far. Use the contact form below to request a demo or any additional information, or give us a call.